Hello, everyone. Lance here inside CEI Bookstore and Truth Publications. I want to take a moment to tell you about a book that you can find on our shelves and on our website, truthbooks.com, that might be of benefit to you and of interest to those around you today. The title of this one is Can Christianity Survive in America? This was put together as a part of our 2011 Truth Lectures series. And in this book, you'll find a number of lectures, lessons that were given on the topic of Can Christianity Survive? In the evening lectures, leaders in the church are discussed. In the day lectures, the question, Can Christianity Survive, is discussed. And there were also lectures held on foreign evangelism and then some threats of outside forces as well in morning classes. There are some great speakers in this book that many of you would know from work with the church and various gospel meetings and such, especially in our area. Jim Deason, Bob Waldron, Joshua Gertler, Leon Malden, Philip Owens, David Arnold, Heath Robertson, Ron Halbrook, Joe Price, Bobby Graham, David Flatt, Andrew Roberts, just to name a few. So I highly encourage you to take a look at this. We live in a time in which there are many questions surrounding our faith, especially in the culture that we're in. And this book would be a great read for anyone in your home. Check it out at truthbooks.com or visit us at CEI Bookstore in Athens. And again, this comes highly recommended by so many that have read it and benefited from the lectures included.